Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota CHR. In this video I'll show you all comfort features installed in this car. Let's start with the driver's seat. Driver's seat in this car has adjustable lumbar pressure and can be adjusted in 3 ways. Then let's take a look at the driver's doors. As you can see, this car has 4 automatic windows, child lock for windows, and side rear view mirrors folding. Toyota CHR is equipped with auto high beam, cruise control, and automatic lights. Take a look at the instrument cluster. On the instrument cluster of this car, we can find multiple indicators. Firstly, you can find driver assist, G monitor, energy monitor, and standard driving indicators. Next, the car is equipped with Bluetooth, but unfortunately it does not have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Right here we can find driver assistant menu, alerts, and settings. Now take a look in the center of the car. The car is equipped with CVT gearbox with braking mode, thanks to which you can preserve more energy. Car also has electric parking brake, auto hold, or only EV mode. Of course, Toyota CHR is equipped with AC, but also it has heated seats. Large 9-inch screen allows you to comfortably navigate through the menu. The car also has navigation in some options, Bluetooth audio, and access to many settings. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.